So what's actually up with it, pal? So yeah, that's why this engine is coming out. Because it scares us and has no compression. Well,
Part 2.
Part 2 of the engine coming out. At least we've got one, so... Bit of background. We got this today, didn't we? Well, you got it like the weekend. Got it dropped off today.
Quality making.
In it. It's actually got... This mighty Garrett has got no shaft plate.
I know, yeah.
It's absolutely solid. So, nice Garrett going there, cheap. Is it 1446 that?
Yeah.
Even off a meter, right?
Off a meter, isn't it?
So what's the plan for this? What we're taking off?
Everything. Cam box, sump, timing belt, everything.
Oh yeah.
Exhaust manifold, inlet manifold.
2,000 years later.
What's happening, fellas?
I found a
I know. Yeah.
Oh shit. Hello, Ian.
Hey. Fuck that shit. I'll see you guys later.
Get all that straight.
This is now a cooking lesson. So, why haven't you got an oven in your unit? Get an oven in your unit.
You seem to eat pizza on every single one of our videos.
Yeah, that's true, actually. That is actually true.
Adam,
Yeah.
I'll get your premium oven.
He's what?
Oven
Premium
glove.
oven, handmade by me.
Oh, mate, wow. That looks so safe.
What are we doing now?
Things.
Go on, give me the comment of the day. Oh. You again with pizza.
Oh, Billy. What? Have you seen this?
We've got the apprentice
Some 6-point socket, that, Billy.
This is 6 point.
These
Wow, that's
are the nut breakers.
Oh, fucking heavy.
If you think about it, you can round it 6 more times. Gives you 6 chances to round
Good
it.
idea, that.
Put the bumper on the car.
Yeah, go on. Show me.
Right, Billy put the bumper on the car.
The paint match will buy for a fucking Corsa next year.
Yeah, that's sick. That's fresh.
One more like a feel. I need to finish bolting him up, but colour match between the wings is pretty good.
Yeah, that is good.
Pretty good. I'm impressed. Will's taking his engine out. I'm eating pizza. Billy's on his phone. No one knows what's going on. The head gasket's not on its way out.
No,
Already-
it's
it's
just
already
not,
out,
as you've
it's
seen
done.
earlier on, banging its cock off when you crank it over.
I think it's fine.
We'll take the head off and see it.
We'll take. What, can we take that off tonight?
Yeah.
Alright.
We're then.
It'd be interesting to see the damage.
I'm going home in half an hour. Yeah.
It's alright.
Actually, I'm here.
You've got me. We've got the chief mechanique right here.
The wheel liquor over it.
Wheel liquor. Oh yeah. Good shit that, you know.
Get 1K on it. We've got a bin.
We have got a bin. It's what is? Those brakes are bigger than my future.
And look at the brackets.
No, not look at the back of it.
No, let's look at the brackets, Will. Because
God.
Turn it and have a look at it.
turn the wheel, Adam. Yeah, go on, lad. Let's look.
Oh my god! Is that just a piece of metal?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
You
It must be if he's even saying, yeah, get a light on there. Let's show the people.
Oh, you're ruining my credibility here, boys.
Oh. This is the resident mechanic, by the way.
I didn't say I was an engineer, just to clarify. The resident engineer would have used 3mm steel, not 4.
Yeah, I'm on the job. Give me 5 minutes and a piece of metal and we'll fucking sort it out. I'm joking.
You need to get the brush. Where's the
robot worker here.
Well, he's even got dirt on his nose already.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he actually has.
Yeah.
What will you do?
Working hard or hardly working?
Hardly working, I go for.
You've done that from turning a caliper. Yeah. You're dirtier than Will from turning a caliper.
Well, you know, I like to show that I've really put in the effort.
I tell you what, Will, you can tell you smashed this off the limiter a lot on launch. Look how hot that exhaust jacket's got. The wrap.
It's white. Well, it was meant to be black, yeah. The downpipe actually snapped, that's why I had to put that on it, because it snapped there.
Hey, is my modification still holding up?
You know what it actually is?
It actually is, isn't it?
What was that?
So I made
missing.
these on the TD04, the adapter plates. They always snap studs.
Right,
And I made this plate with welded stainless studs. Mate, it's been like that for how long? For a year, 2 years? Mine's the same.
So this car is full of dodgy metalwork from you?
No. Why is that? Where have you got that bolt from that's just fell out?
One of his manifold bolts that snapped.
Oh, well, we don't need them anymore. We've got a new engine.
Ones, yeah.
We've got a new engine, haven't we?
Yeah, but has it got a manifold?
Yeah, but we have to use that manifold.
Turbo?
It did. Come with 1446.
Hey, worth at least £600 that.
About 150, I reckon.
When it's
They're not worth anything.
What do you mean they're not worth anything?
It's not robbed. We just don't ask questions about where they get these engines from.
Or else.
There's a lot of procrastinators in this room, by the way. Look at this.
They're meant to be bright red on TMC.
They are, aren't they?
No, I got a yellow, a green.
A
What colour was that?
A yellow, a green, a grey.
Grey one, look. It's grey. Look around here, a bit cool, isn't it? Look. Can I have a 16mm?
Who does he think he is?
16 and a half inch.
It'll be in the bag, really, in the bag.
Your catalytic
Or at the side
converter
of
is
it.
so much slimmer than mine was.
What is what?
Race car.
Catalytic converter was
Oh, yeah.
well slimmer than mine.
Yeah.
Mine was like this big.
It's got a racing one, mate. Racing one.
Yeah.
Is it a chrome one?
Abarth.
Oh, it's split and sunk.
Oh dear. Hang on.
It's not fine.
I need to see.
Oh my god, here we go.
Go on, give it.
It's like screwing
Give it a
here,
test.
What are you, the MSV?
Give it a test.
Jesus.
You're
Yeah.
the MOT tester.
That
I
sounds.
can't even see it.
this car?
Can you test what you can see?
Can't see it now. Hang on.
Is it secure?
It's secure. I'm fucking way too zoomed
Is it
in.
secure?
I tell you what, it won't pass my fucking MOT test.
That's why you're not an MOT tester.
I am.
What engine mount?
No, you're not.
What's this?
Premium. Alright, come on, Ben, because this is obviously a separate occasion. Give me the run through. Give me the run through.
Putting the bumper back on. Just plugged in.
Yeah. What? He's having a drink. Oh god.
Right. We are plugging some shit back in.
Yeah.
Lights, PDC. It's all back in. Bolts are in for the bumper. Now we just need to get that in there like that. And then we need to put bolts in. These bolts. I think, from what I can remember. In fact, I won't even lie. I can't remember what bolts go where. I think they're all the same at this point, actually. Yeah, apart from that one. Oh, I know where that one goes. That is the missing one that we lost earlier. Which goes in here. I'm glad they found that. I'm dead good at putting them. I think I've got it. Yeah, I've got it.
Yeah, so you know how in detailing you did me? Well, this is the same, but just the other way around. So instead of me hindering you mechanically.
So you're saying I hindered you when we were detailing?
No, but that's what you said. family reiterating what he said.
So yeah, not that I know what I'm doing by any means. Will knows what he's doing. I just guess.
Yeah. If you've just joined us, we're about to take the engine out. I've got no idea how this is going to go. Exhaust.
It's alright. Hang on. Go on. What are you pulling on? Stuck on. The fucking ratchet strap, go forward a bit.
Right, go on.
Right.
Ready?
Yeah, I've got it.
Oh my days. Is it me or are you just excited to see me? Oh, is that your cat there? Is that what?
Oh, it's killing the shot over his shoulder. Did it? Oh,
excited about getting.
He's excited about getting a new heart transplant. Right, well, I think this is the
transplant because none of us are surgeons in here.
A few moments later.
So I've just gone to get some drinks for the boys. I come back, Adam's got his gloves on, and he even had a ratchet in his hand.
Took it off it now.
Yeah, he's taking me off me for the really important shit.
A bit dirty.
Just a bit oily. Do we need to change this gasket?
No, leave it on.
Leave it on.
You learning?
Yeah. Do you know what you need? Carbon clean with that China. Terribly. Cleans your engine, restores performance.
You can't be sponsoring.
Oh shit, sorry.
Shout out if anyone does actually want sponsors. That would be nice.
That'd be very shit. First you have to watch our videos.
That's true.
And then once you've watched our videos, you
wouldn't
can
sponsor
subscribe here, remember, and comment down below and give us a like rating, that'd be nice.
A life of having an apprentice.
Isn't it? What's it like to have an apprentice, Will? Look at him, he's using
Mate, did I not show you this? Look at.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, look at this, Adam. He'll laugh about this. Mate, look what he's eating. So he's eating his dinner with a snap-on instrument.
No, he's not.
Mate,
Did he get excited on the van?
He's buzzing. He was buzzing. Eating his pot noodle with a fucking screwdriver.
Oh my days. That's when you know you're only paying him
boy.
£4 an hour.
Look at the enthusiasm in the wrist.
Do not have one of them fucking whiz guns like it. I'm a bit too early for that yet.
You're in the early days yet. We don't know about the apprentice on those sort of things.
Why are they so fucking long?
That's what she said.
Actually,
What are you doing? You got to explain to the camera what you're doing for us.
So I'm currently removing a plate which covers the timing belt. Or is this the engine mount?
The engine mount.
Engine mount, see? Close.
Close enough. You got it right at the end. You're taking the engine mount off there.
Taking the engine mount off so it can reveal the timing belt. Am I right or am I wrong?
Correct.
Fucking good, mate, you know. You see, what did Billy do?
It's not like we're in any rush to get to the Nurburgring.
What did Billy do? Yeah?
Took the engine out.
Apart from that bit, what did he do?
Tell
Did
you
he get a
what,
13 mil on the gearbox mount to get to the water pump? No, he
It's
didn't.
the engine mount. That,
Shut up. Make me sounding.
I can't believe you're still criticising my brakes. You're not they're mint. Look, can you not see in the limelight? Look how thick that steel is.
To be fair, the only thing that's going to do is warp, innit?
What?
Well, we said this, and it's funny that we said this, and you don't.
Did they brake on the track day?
You know what did break on the track day? My brakes. Funnily enough. And
Mate, look at them brake pads. They were like that when we did the track day. Carbon Lorraines.
Still loads left on them.
What brake pads are we all recommending
Carbon
nowadays?
Lorraines.
I will admit, these brakes on Will's car are very good. You really need to get some coilovers, some socks.
Get me some of them, Ben.
I've got some in the boot, the Abarth.
What shall we do?
No, 25 quid.
Right, well, I've done that bit. What now?
Okay.
Look at this.
So now you need to
keen
undo
he
this
is.
13,
Oh.
this 10, and this 10.
So one's a 13. Where? In here.
In the
So
curious
how's
to
that?
see what's gone.
I know I am. I'm really curious to see what's
Must
actually
have
gone.
melted all 4 pistons big time.
What? That's a new way of using one of them.
I thought that's what it was for, but clearly not.
Yeah, just twist it in your hands like that.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
I can't believe you think my gearbox smells broke. I guess how much that was on.
£125. Correct. Is that it?
Have you seen that? Look how much little material you get.
What was 125 quid? That ratchet?
Fucking
Not the socket, just the ratchet.
Just a ratchet?
The socket's out.
Is it 3/8?
Oh, look how rusted that was.
Yeah, that's probably why the engine might have gone that one.
Yeah, that is your culprit right there.
Right, got you.
That is the destruction of.
It's 13 off that one. It might be a bit tight that one. I put that one on. I was shitting about it coming off. It's not come off yet, but it might fucking really.
Look at these guns. He won't struggle.
Oh, it smells bad that as well.
Mate.
That's definitely £3.50 pizza fart.
Easy.
Pussy on that!
Done some progress there, boys. Adam got the manifold off with the turbo and the cap. The cap. Anyway.
So when you say you're going to port the head, do you port them?
That's your exhaust.
Oh.
Oh, it's melted the valves.
Has it?
Done that valve.
Not the first time you've said that, is it, William?
What?
Pull the head off it.
What?
Only in his bedroom after 9. Right, I'm doing ready.
You're going to help Will pull the head off it. Oh. Holy sh-
What it's got.
What?
Look how hot that's got.
Oh, white spots.
White spots.
White
Spots. White valves.
Would they not buff off?
Mate,
Oh, you know what you should have done? You know where you went wrong? You should have ceramic coated them.
Yeah, that was a rookie error.
Wow.
Look at these spark plugs, that's why they went wrong.
Shit.
Shit, man. Wow. That one looks alright.
Have you started taking that plug out?
That one's black now.
Or brown? That's because you're wiping your dirty fingers on it.
it's the pistons. Look, the pistons are cracked.
Oh
That's
shit.
the ring. Piston ring. So 1 and 2 have failed.
So it would have just stopped.
Well, it just stopped on the dyno, yeah.
Oh fuck.
That's not even a little bit of damage. That's big time. I don't think the air gasket had gone, you know.
So they don't move.
No. No, Adam, you can't push the piston down.
So next step now, bit of silica seal.
Do you reckon you'll be able to get the
WD-40,
ring
silica
back
seal.
together?
Well, I mean,
Mate, I can't believe that.
I've got some really good glue. But even then, I think that's fucked. What if we solder it?
Very shit seal, man.
That's a shit sitch.
I've literally got pictures of me building this engine in my...
And now you've got
Back
videos of you building it, rebuilding
We're
it.
going to be doing it again.
Right, so what's next then? Is that... So we need to strip that one.
Don't you need
No,
to
no,
take
no.
back the oil filter housing in the cooler. Put it on new one. Put the cam box off it there. Take that apart. Take the exhaust manifold off and turbo. Take the cams out. Put cams in.
Right,
Put
okay.
turbo in.
And then we're Gucci.
Yeah.
Right, so we've been at Combustion Clinic. This is the end of part 2. Stay tuned for part 3.
Catch you in the next one.
See you later.
Happy with that?